Take a ride in the 2016 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, remote engine start, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, power lift gate, backup camera. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.